Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead video. If you're new here, I am always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home job leads and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you're not already subscribed, you might want to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon. That way YouTube will let you know every time a fresh work from home job lead is posted. But without further ado, today's job lead is from U.S. Bank. They are hiring an account processor for payment research. Now, this is remote within the United States. There are no state restrictions that I am aware of, so anywhere within the United States. I will say right now, if you are looking to make the switch into a full-time work from home career, there are a lot of banks that are going remote and healthcare companies. If you are not in a patient-facing position in a healthcare company, or you're not an actual teller that has to actually take money in the financial world of banks, both of those industries are really going remote. So there's a lot of positions within banks and healthcare companies right now that are hiring. So as a payment research account processor for U.S. Bank, you would perform a variety of document processing and record-keeping tasks associated with customer accounts. So this is going to include entering new account information, changing information on existing accounts, recording transactions, answering customer inquiries, receiving, classifying, consolidating, and summarizing documents and information, and completing reports and providing administrative report. So this is a mostly non-phone job. However, the responsibilities may include customer service duties such as answering customer inquiries or resolving customer problems. Now, they don't say how that is done, if it's over the web, chat, email feature, or if it's calling, making outbound calls to the customer, or if you would actually be answering phone calls. That's why I left this job at mostly non-phone. Just know that there is a possibility for some phone work to be involved, but you are not all day on the phone answering calls like an incoming customer service type job. They do offer paid training, and they are looking to have someone start by June 20th of 2022. So you've got just a little over a month to get your application in. So I assume they are going to be doing interviews quite quickly. They only require you to have a high school diploma or equivalent. They do not require any college degree, and they would like someone that has 3 to 4 years experience in clerical or customer service. Now, they do have a few preferred skills, but again, preferred, not required, and that is someone who has a knowledge of product, services, and terminology related to the finance field, strong customer service skills, the ability to multitask or manage multiple projects, and excellent written and verbal communication skills. Of course, pay is always dependent on the skills that you bring to the table and your location, but they have their pay range set on the low end at $15 an hour and on the high end, $20.84 an hour. So you will make anywhere between $15 and $20 an hour depending on your skills and location. If you found this job lead helpful or any other job leads that I provide helpful, please give me a thumbs up like button. That gives me direct feedback that I am bringing something of value to you and being helpful to someone. And as always, comments are always welcome if you want to leave anything specific that you are looking for. I'm always taking into consideration anything that is left in the comments when I am searching for job leads to provide to you. And as always, I'll be back very, very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.